Hello friends, I'll be demonstrating you my Python code for face recognition and detection. So firstly, we'll try to create data set so that it will understand uh, what what pictures are for me. So for that, I'll have to run the file called dataset.py. I'm executing. It will first ask me some basic questions like my name, since it should be a string. I'll provide a string name, then the ID, let's say 1, then my age, which is 30. Once that is done, it will start recognizing and create 30 frames for me uh, and exit out. So once it created the data set, it created 30 images, sample images. Let's see this. So here are the few sample images which it took. Once that is created, the next step is to uh, train our system so that it will recognize me as that guy in the image. Okay, so for that we'll run the trainer.py function. Okay, it found one image and it got trained based on that. Please 0 to exit. Once, so it created the new training based on the detection algorithm. Now we'll execute the recognition function to see if it can predict my name and give my name on that. That will have to execute recognition.py, and let's execute it. It opened up a video cam and see, now it's able to recognize me and with a prediction score of 75%. So now my system is able to predict me in the webcam, and that's it.